Hello, good morning student. Today we will discuss about the question 8 onwards. In question 8, the distance of 40 female engineers from their residence to their place of work were found as follows. Here number is given 5, 19, 7, 12, 3, 10, 9, 14. Okay. So these numbers is the distance of kilometer. Now we have find the three probabilities given below. First, what is the empirical probability that an engineer lives less than 7 kilometer? Okay, from her place, from her work. Then second probability, more than or equal to 7 kilometer from her place of work. And third, within 1/2 kilometer from her place of work. 1/2 means half kilometer, 0.5. Now here you can see there is no 1/2 kilometer or 0.5. Okay. So here first question, suppose the probability of that an engineer lives less than 7 kilometer equal to PA. Okay, suppose therefore PA equal to number of trial occurs upon total number of trials. In this way you have to write in your notebook. Now calculate and tell me less than 7 kilometer. From the given number, calculate how many numbers less than 7 kilometer. I will calculate. You also calculate. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, I have calculated it is 9. Okay, and total 40. Total 40. So 9/40. 9 is the number of trial occurs and 40 is the total number of trials. So first question is solved. Now more than or equal to 7 kilometer from her place of work. Now here we know that 7 or less than kilometer is the 9. So and total is 40. Okay, so 40 minus 9 equal to 31. If you calculate in number, there will be 31 number we will find. Okay, so number of female engineers, the distance of whose residence from their place of work is more than or equal to 7 kilometer equal to 31. Okay, total 40, and if we subtract 9, 40 minus 9 equal to 31. Okay, so in this way we can calculate. So the probability 31/40 will not cut any number. Okay, now third number, within 1/2 kilometer from her place. So the probability that an engineer lives within 1/2 kilometer from her place. So you can see in table there is no 1/2 kilometer, half kilometer, 0.5, both are same but not given, so it will be 0. So 0/40 equal to 0. So in this way we can solve this example. Now question 9 is the activity you have not required to solve, or if you want to solve, please try to yourself. Now question 10 is also activity. Okay, so it will be discussed on the board if it is done, otherwise not. Okay, we will solve this example 9 and 10 on the board. Okay, now 11, question 11. 11 bags wheat flour, each marked 5 kilogram, actually contain the following weight of flour. Okay, now here is the number is given: 4.97, 5.05, 5.08, 5.03, 5.06, 5.08, 4.98, 5.04, 5.07, 5.00. So here you have asked, what you have asked, find the probability that any of these bags chosen randomly contains more than 5 kilogram of flour. So total number of bags is 11. Calculate the number: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Total number of bags is 11. And you have asked here more than 5 kilogram, means 5.01, 5.02, 5.03. You can calculate in this way. So first is not, second is consider, third is consider, fourth is consider, fifth is not consider because it is exactly 5. Then 5.06 consider, 5.08 consider, 4.98 is not consider, 5.04 is consider. Okay, more than 5.07 is consider, but 5.00 is not considered because it is exactly 5 kilograms. So if you calculate, it will be 7. Okay, it will be 7. So probability of that any of these bags chosen randomly contains more than 5 kilogram equal to number of trial occurs upon total number of trials. So we calculate this, it will be 7 and upon total bag is 11. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Total bag is 11. So 7 upon 11 is the answer. Okay, now question 12. A study was conducted to find out the concentration of sulfur dioxide in the air in parts per million of certain city. The data obtained for 30 days as follows. Here 30 data is given: 0.03, 0.05, 0.12 and so on. 30 data is given. What we have do? We have do in this way. Okay, here data is given. Okay, 0.06. Find the probability that any of these bags chosen at randomly contains more than, it is over. Now what we have find? Question is given, total number of days equal to 30. Number of days on which concentration of sulfur dioxide was in the interval 0.12 to 0.16. Okay, 0.12 to 0.16. You have see the table of that question, or you have to make table of this. Equal to 2 and number of total days equal to 30. So 2 upon 30 equal to 1 upon 15. So 2 15s are 30. So answer will be 1 upon 15. Okay. In this way, first we have make the table concentration of sulfur dioxide. You have make class first 0.00 to 0.04, 0.04 to 0.08. Make tally mark number of days. Okay. You can see 0.12 to 0.6. There are number of days 2. Frequency is the 2. So in question you have asked between the 0.12 to 0.16. So make the table first, then we can solve this example. Now example 13. The blood group of 30 students of class 8 are recorded as follows. Okay, when we make the frequency distribution, then this table we have prepared, you can see in notebook, A B O O A B A O whatever group we have. You were asked to prepare the distribution table regarding the blood group of 30 students. We have already done this table. Okay, so see, this is the table. Okay, blood group A B O. A how many times? 9 times. B 6 times. AB 3 times. O 12 times. This is the frequency table that you have prepared. And here is the question. Total number of students is 30. So find the probability that student of this class selected randomly has blood group AB. How much student? Okay, AB group is 3. You can see in table. So 3 upon 30. 3 10 ja 30, 1 upon 10 means 0.1. So in this way we can complete the exercise. Now we will meet in next chapter. Okay, thank you very much.